Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. In this video we will discuss about super 30 points of pharmacology. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. First point is Oswald Schimmelberg is the father of pharmacology. Pharmacokinetics includes absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Route with highest first pass metabolism is oral. Digoxin is active metabolite of digitoxin. Most common phase 1 reaction of metabolism is oxidation. Most common phase 2 reaction of metabolism is glucouronide conjugation. Most toxic antimalarial is quinine. Drug of choice for amoebiasis is metronidazole. Dose for metronidazole for intestinal amoebiasis is 400 mg thrice a day for 5 to 7 days. Drug of choice for extraintestinal amoebiasis is also metronidazole. Dose of metronidazole for extraintestinal amoebiasis is 800 mg thrice a day for 7 to 10 days. Specific antidote for benzodiazepine poisoning is flumazenil. Topical steroids in eye causes glaucoma. Systemic steroids in eye causes cataract. Drug of choice for Graves' disease is methimazole. Most common side effect of antithyroid drugs are urticarial papular rash. Most serious side effect of antithyroid drug agranulocytosis. Radioactive iodine is contraindicated in pregnancy. Specific treatment of drug-induced Parkinsonism is central anticholinergic. Laxative useful in hepatic encephalopathy is lactulose. Castor oil is derived from seed of Ricinus communis. NRTIs are active against both HIV-1 and HIV-2. NNRTIs are only active against HIV-1. Oldest antiretroviral drug is zidovudine. Drug of choice for trigeminal neuralgia is oxcarbazepine. Drug of choice for status epilepticus is lorazepam. Drug of choice for infantile spasm is ACTH. Antiepileptic causing weight loss, loperamide. All antiepileptic are enzyme inducer except valproate. Antiepileptic contraindicated in porphyra barbiturates. Teratogenic antiretroviral are efavirenz. Ebalizumab is monoclonal antibody against CD4. Drug of choice for herpes simplex infection is acyclovir. Drug of choice for varicella zoster virus infection is acyclovir. Treatment for neurosyphilis is penicillin G or procaine penicillin. Drug of choice for rat bite fever is penicillin G. Drug of choice for leptosporiosis is penicillin G. Drug of choice for actinomycosis is penicillin G. Longest acting penicillin is benzathine penicillin. Disulfiram-like reaction is caused by griseofulvin. Only fungal infection in which griseofulvin is useful is dermatophytosis. Quinine was isolated from cinchona bark. Half-life denotes rate of drug elimination. Reye syndrome is common associated with aspirin. NSAIDs with longest half-life is piroxicam. Nimesulide is contraindicated in below 12 years of age in children. Drug of choice for acute gout is NSAIDs. Most common side effect of probenecid is dyspepsia. Drug of choice for tumor lysis syndrome is respiricase. Longest acting statin is rosuvastatin. Half-life is 18 hours. Regular monitoring for warfarin is done with PTINR. PTINR for warfarin is done once in a week. Topical steroids is most potent as ointment. Specific treatment of akathisia is propranolol. Longest acting SSRI is fluoxetine. Antidepressant with antipsychotic property is amoxapine. Drug of choice for endogenous depression is SSRI. Drug of choice for neurotic disorders is SSRI. Drug of choice for bipolar disorder is lithium. Teratogenic effect of lithium is Epstein's anomaly.